The madman Terrell. Got our gear here. And we'll be flying out on this otter. Paul's back after a layoff of a couple of years here.
Yep. Had to get my arm ready.
Here we go.
Your camera ready?
Got a rookie co-pilot up there.
Time. A shot of me then with this.
Touchdown. Here we are, day one, packing up. Beautiful day, 9:24 in the morning. Another camp down there. Fish cleaning house. It's our cabin.
Want to close this up, right?
This one right at the boat. Had to tease him with it. This is a much better fish than the 39. White and white. Sing to me, baby, sing to me. Turn 'em. Big one. She running?
He's running, Vinny. How big is it?
44. First master of the
Of
first
the
day.
trip.
Utiklake.
You gotta talk to that fish, Vinny.
I'm gonna have to talk to this one. This one ain't gonna come in easy. I think he's probably wrapped himself. He's gonna start going again. Oh no.
Oh, he got off.
No, he's still on. He was around some. Here he comes. He was around some weeds. He's coming up. He's gonna jump. He's on the top. You see him, Kenny?
Nope.
He's gonna run. There he goes. I think he might be ready to come in.
Here, Vinny, let me get ready.
Getting tired, but he's...
In the net. Holy.
I don't have him. These goddamn nets aren't big enough. 41 inches, second day. Here's a moose.
That's a beauty. Oh, man.
Oh, he's a big one.
He is a big one.
So he's on top, so he's getting tired. Is he coming at all this way?
No, he wants to run again. Here he's coming up. He's gonna fly.
Reel. Take some of that slack.
There he is.
He's a big old boy.
He's a big boy. I wish we'd just get him up to where you can see get a good.
I'm going to get one shot at him, so I'm going to put this camera down. We got him. He's a big one. It'll measure him up.
Oh! Take a look. See him? Yeah, he's huge. Oh man. Oh yeah, you got over 45 there. Come on.
Big fish.
Don't. Nice and easy, Paul. Oh.
I'm telling you, the nets are too small.
Wow. You got a 45, 46er there.
Yeah! Oh, holy shit! Yes! Alright! Alright, Kenny! You're the other one! Oh.
Oh, man.
Turn around, Paul.
Can't even hold them up.
Gotta weigh him.
Oh yeah. Got the tape? Hold them sideways. Hold, please. Got to get them in the water pretty soon here, Paul. I know. Get one more picture of them.
Look at this
You
hog.
got him? Man, he is heavy. I gotta get him back there to measure him. Slipping and sliding all the way. The hell are we measuring him with? Well, there's one over here.
Get over there.
Knock yourself out. Jeez. Knock yourself out, you gorilla. Just don't bite.
Measure him from right there. Bring him
So
all the
there's
way
a
up.
one, there's a 0 here, and he goes to the end, just a little bit more than the end of this blue. We'll figure out what that is. I can measure that after. See if I can weigh him. Hey, how are you? Shit, he's got, I think he's 47. I got him at 20, 23 pounds. No, 20, 22 pounds. Day 6, 37.
Benny's fish.
Alright, let's get him in the water. He's been out. Took a beating. Say recording full, look at him run.
Benny's got a cow on.
Come on, we want to see you. We gotta at least see you. We don't have a net big enough for you. He's up top over here. We're gonna get a look at him. Up here. There he goes. Oh, he is a cow. Doesn't look that long, but he's a cow. There's a girth on him. tired yet. Come on, baby. Get a look. Smile for the camera. He is at the surface here. Oh yeah, he's a nice
Oh,
fish.
he's a nice fish. Oh!
Lunging.
And fight that fish. He's just strong.
Fish.
Oh yeah. He's not done.
Not ready?
Not ready.
Maybe tighter than that.
He's not done yet.
Who's this, payback
This
time?
is payback time.
Hey, I don't have
How big is he, Bob?
Don't know yet.
He looks like 39, 40.
Here he is.
Hold him up there, Vinny. Turn him sideways. Too close to you to get him all in the camera. Nice. Got them all.
Measure him up. Where do we measure from to? 38. 38.
Last day.
Gonna get started here.
For about 15 minutes and Vinny's already he's into a 30-inch fish. Nice.
39. First throw.
Sweet. Sideways, Vinny. Hold them up.
Gonna be more than 5 pounds.
There we go. Not too bad of a fish here.
Oh man, he's down.
He's ripped up pretty good, huh? He's probably about, I'll say 27. What do you think? Not bad.
Okay,
You got one?
come on.
Oh, whoa! He's a nice one. A little bigger than one I just got.
Hold on. You get him in here, Paul.
Okay. There he is, Kojak. A nice fish. What'd you say, about 30, Dad?
Oh, let's see.
Yeah, he's nice. Measure him up. He's about 30, because 26 is right here.
About
27, 28, yeah, 28, 29 inches. Nice.
Okay, let him go back so he can get his big brothers.
Yeah. Paul's got one on here. Oh, yeah, there he is, right by the boat.
Not bad.
Is he played out? Is this thing zoomed in or out, Paul?
You can try it. It can go either way. Probably about 24 inches, right?
Yeah.
Well, we're getting them in here, huh?
How do you zoom this thing?
Up top, your index finger. See that thing right there?
This?
There, up back and forth, yeah?
Okay, it's a little whippersnapper. Let's go get the big one. Eagle. We got some cabbage here, Paul, 7 feet. How is he, B?
No. Looked pretty good, though.
He fought good, didn't he?
Well, I knew it wasn't a big one, I can tell. I can tell by how they... I put my hand down there. I like my fingers. Boy, oh boy, you know, his teeth are like razor blades, Paul.
Yeah. Let's go catch his dad. Yeah. Better?
Yeah, I think close. Might be around 30. It's not running. If it was bigger than 30, it'd be peeling my line off, Paul. It doesn't feel as big as it did when I first hooked into it.
34 and a half.
Nice. Hold him up there. All right.
34 and a half.
Good job.
Hold on.
Picture of it, Vinny?
Lost him.
Nuh-uh.
Lost him.
Oh, man.
Gone.
Lost him. Yeah. Okay, Paul's got a big one right here. Okay, just hold him. Oh, yeah.
Yeah!
There's Paulo with his animal. How big is he, Paul?
I'll let you know in a second. 36. Wanna weigh him?
Nah, let him in. Let him go. We've been messing around. Stay back there, though, so I can get a good picture of him.
I want to get a still photo, Dad.
Okay, I'll take a still photo. Good.
Might be a master. Don't mess around too much with it.
Want me to stop filming and get the net?
Yeah, I think you better. Vinny! How big?
Hold him up there. All right. All right. I just picked up a 37 in here, and now Dad's got probably a good 30-inch. Wow, he's aggressive, huh? All right. Want the net? No? Oh.
Bigger than what he is.
Huh?
I said he looked a little bigger than what he turned out to be.
Oh. All right.
I raised heck with my lure.
This is nice in here. All this cabbage.
Kill shots here, Paul? Yeah. Dewey'd like to see what this looks like here. Dewey would.
All this cabbage is with it.
Lot of
They lie right in this. Vinny caught a
How big was the one he caught here, Dad?
34.
34.
Just got a
I just pulled a
37.
37 out. It's a good area. Alright. See you on the next one.
Beautiful scenery out here. Gorgeous day today. That old shoreline's all cabbage. Alrighty. Not bad, huh? Wow.
Snapped the hook right off of that.
He did?
Yeah. Look. He was a fighter. He was nice. He was about 28, 29 inches.
Alright.
Alright, Paul's got the animal on. Hold him, boy.
Come around this side of the boat. Oh, he's barely hooked. Get the net quick. Get the net.
Hold on, Paul, just hold the pole. Paul. Just,
I don't want to lose him.
here we are, second night.
Come to
Walleye
Utiklake
supper.
and feed down.
Walleye, mashed potatoes, and corn. How was it, Dad?
Good.
Alrighty. Well, heading back home after another night of fishing. Nice little sunset. Really nice out here tonight.
Grab the net. Because he's going to get off. Okay, grab the net because I don't want to mess around no more. How's that one?
Beauty. It's a
Got him?
beauty.
Want me to step back further?
No, that's good.
Measure him up.
Same as the other one.
I don't see this thing recording. What we got?
It's recording right now. See, record on the top. It says REC. See it? REC right in the top of the screen.
Okay.
You got him?
Yeah.
Hog time! Yeah! Look at that fish,
Look at
baby.
that.
Huh?
Yep. He's a beauty, man.
Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Up here in these Canadian mountains. $18. Oh, still camera. Can you get him with the...
Oh yeah, Vinny's got a nice fish here.
Not quite sure how big he is yet, but all right.
Okay, fall's going on, 4th day.
All right.
Coming around. It's coming up. Oh yeah. Tell me if he's coming in if you want me to net him.
Told you.
Definitely a master. That could be the same one. Hand me that net if you can. Oh, there he goes. He's going down.
Are you still filming this?
Yeah. I got him. Gonna come out nice and clear too. Yeah, he's huge. Down the surface now.